All right, problem statement. So you have multiple goals with multiple conversions tracked within each goal, but you only want your campaign to optimize to a specific set of conversions. What do you do? So step one is to open up your conversions menu. Step two, scroll down to custom goals, and it might be hidden, so unhide it. Step three, add custom goal. Name the custom goal. Select which events you want it to optimize towards. Save it. Go to your campaign. Open the campaign settings. Change the goal from account level or whatever you have specified. Select use campaign specific goal settings, and then select the custom goal that was just created. Save that, and there you go. That's it for today on custom goals. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section. Thank you for your time, and please make sure to subscribe to the Next Level PPC YouTube channel.